Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the essentials and taking the first actionable steps now. Pick the card stock and confirm dimensions, standard or custom, and set your workspace with good light. Once done, test print a template to check margins and alignment. Make sure fonts are legible at small sizes. You'll cut a practice card, measure edge clearances, and trim to precise size. This prevents wasted materials. Keep scrap pieces for mock-ups, so your final card looks intentional and neat. You now move into detailed execution, design, and personalization. Start by placing the recipient's name prominently, then add a 1- or 2-line message that explains the occasion. Balance white space with a small graphic. Once aligned, choose color contrast that prints well and export at 300 dpi. If adding hand elements, plan where they'll go before printing. Make a control copy, then apply embellishments like ribbon or embossing in a careful sequence. You finish by prepping the card for gifting and handling common problems. Trim final edges, add corner rounding or reinforcing tape, then place the card in an appropriately sized envelope. Once sealed, label clearly and include a brief care note if the card has delicate elements. If something goes wrong, misprint, ink bleed, or misalignment, stop and test print a corrected file, recalibrate the cutter, or adjust color profiles. This saves time and ensures the recipient gets a professional-looking name card.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.